Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your Baby Doge link address. For you to be able to find and copy your Baby Doge link address, this is what you have to do. Install your Trust Wallet, because I'll be using my Trust Wallet to look for Baby Doge coin link address. So what I have to do here is to tap on my Play Store. Let me go back. So this is my Play Store. Then I type in Trust Wallet. I've already downloaded the app before. So what I have to do now is to tap on open, enter my passcode. Then now let me go back to the. So this is the interface of Trust Wallet. So what I have to do is to tap on receive. So on receive, I'll type in Baby Doge. Baby Doge, you can see it came out. Now, so this is the link. I found the link for Baby Dogecoin. I can easily copy the link if I want to copy the link and send it to anywhere that I want to send it. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload video like this. Thanks for watching.